Hi kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about reading food labels. In this lesson, we will learn and understand the essential parts of food labels. Are you ready? What do you see on your screen? Exactly. That is a food label. What is food label? A food label is part of the packaging that contains basic information on the contents of the food, its ingredients, its nutrient content, and how to prepare or handle it. Have you ever read the nutrition facts in a food label? Where can you find them? Nutrition facts, together with all the ingredients, are usually printed at the back label of a food product. Food manufacturers try to make sure that a food label is always visible on the food packaging. It also helps a consumer make wise food choices. The food label contains essential parts such as name and description, ingredients, nutrition facts, advisory and warning, direction for use, storage instructions, expiration date or use by date, and best before date. First is the part that indicates the name and description of the food. This part informs the consumer what the product is and what it is for. For instance, the food label indicates if the product is milk for babies or a sandwich spread. This part is necessary so that consumers will not be misinformed or deceived. Next is ingredients. This part mentions the ingredients of the food product and the quantity of each ingredient. No matter how small the amount is, the ingredients used must be clearly specified, including preservatives and additives. What is the difference between preservative and additive? A preservative is any chemical or substance that is added onto food to preserve it or to delay the growth of microorganisms that can cause spoilage. Adding preservative prolongs the shelf life of the food. These are some examples of preservatives. Natural preservatives such as salt, sugar, and vinegar. Sodium nitrate, a chemical food preservative commonly used for processed food like ham, tocino, bacon, and hot dog. Potassium sorbate, a chemical food preservative which is used to prevent the growth of fungi or molds in certain food like cheese, yogurt, and dried meats. On the other hand, a food additive is any substance that is added onto the food to enhance its flavor, taste, and appearance. Some examples of food additives are salt, spices, sweetener, and food coloring. One of the most important parts of a food label is the nutrition facts. This part contains information on the nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are present in the food product. It also tells the consumer how much of each nutrient the food product has. Most nutrients are measured in grams, while some are measured in milligrams. For every gram, there are 1,000 milligrams. Other nutrient information are given in percentage. Consumers can refer to the food label to do the following: compare food products, find out the nutritional value of a food product, identify which food product is appropriate for certain types of diet. For example, a diet that must be high in iron or a diet that must be low sodium. Nutrition specialists know how much calories and nutrients are needed by a child or an adult to stay healthy daily. The nutrition facts are usually based on a 2,000 calorie diet. The percent daily value on a food label informs the person how much nutrient a food product can provide based on his or her daily nutrition needs. Aside from nutrition facts, food labels also contain advisories and warnings. An advisory is a report that gives information or warning about the product. A warning is similar to an advisory. It also informs consumers of potential health risks that may be present in the food product. Advisories and warnings are included if the food product contains ingredients which can pose a threat on a person's health. It is also important to take note of the directions for use and storage instructions. The direction for use informs the consumer how to prepare, handle, or eat the food product, while the storage instruction tells the consumer how to store the food product to ensure good quality and to prevent spoilage. It is also important to take note of the expiration date or use by date. The expiration date or use by date indicates until when a food product can be consumed without posing a risk to the consumer's health. After the indicated expiration date, the food product is no longer safe to eat as bacteria may have already developed. Best before date. The best before date is similar to expiration date. But in this case, it is still safe to eat a food product even if has gone beyond the indicated date as long as there is no sign of damage or deterioration on the packaging and its contents. Once again, the following are the essential parts of food label: name and description, ingredients, nutrition facts, advisory and warning, direction for use, storage instructions, expiration date or use by date, and best before date. Manufacturers are expected to follow the requirements implemented by the law for consumer safety. These requirements are mandated by the following agencies: Food and Drug Administration or FDA, Good Manufacturing Practices or GMP, and Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points or HACCP. Food manufacturers should also have the needed documents and legal permits to operate the food business. Identify the food label being described. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. It shows the date the product is best to consume. A. Expiration date. B. Direction for use. C. Best before date. The answer is best before date, letter C. It is still safe to eat a food product even if it has gone beyond the indicated date. A. Expiration date. B. Direction for use. C. Best before date. The answer is C. Best before date. It contains information on the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and fiber present in food products. A. Ingredients. B. Nutrition facts. C. Name and description. This is B. Nutrition facts. It gives the information on how to handle the food product. A. Direction for use. B. Storage instructions. C. Advisory and warning. The answer is direction for use, letter A. It shows the nutrients the food product contains. A. Ingredients. B. Nutrition facts. C. Name and description. The answer is nutrition facts, letter B. It informs the consumer the way the food products must be stored. A. Direction for use. B. Storage instructions. C. Advisory and warning. The answer is storage instructions, letter B. It informs the consumer what the product is and what it is for. A. Ingredients. B. Name and description. C. Advisory and warning. The answer is letter B. Name and description. It informs the consumer until when a food product can be consumed. A. Storage instructions. B. Advisory and warning. C. Expiration date or use by date. The correct answer is expiration date or use by date, letter C. This milk product is not suitable for children under 1 year of age. This is an example of A. Advisory. B. Ingredients. C. Direction for use. The answer is A. Advisory. It is part of the packaging that contains basic information on the contents of the food. A. Food label. B. Food additive. C. Food preservative. The answer is food label, letter A. Adding this ingredient prolongs the shelf life of the food. A. Additive. B. Label. C. Preservative. The answer is preservative, letter C. This serves as a guide to let individuals make better food choices. A. Food label. B. Food additive. C. Food preservative. And the answer is A. Food label. Any substance that is added onto food to enhance its flavor, taste, and appearance. A. Additive. B. Label. C. Preservative. The answer is additive, letter A. Any chemical or substance that is added onto food to preserve it or to delay the growth of microorganisms. A. Additive. B. Label. C. Preservative. And the answer is preservative, letter C. It informs the consumer how much nutrient a food product needs. A. Serving size. B. Amount per serving. C. Percent daily value. The answer is C. Percent daily value. All these ingredients are examples of food additives except one. A. Cholesterol. B. Spices. C. Food coloring. The answer is cholesterol, letter A. It is an agency responsible in ensuring that food labels are present in a product. A. DOH. B. FDA. C. Pag-asa. And the agency is FDA, letter B, Food and Drug Administration. Read the nutrition facts of the two food products, then answer the questions that follow. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Which food product has the greatest number of calories? The answer is cream of tomato. Which food product has the most amount of protein? The answer is sweet corn. Which food product has the least amount of sodium? The answer is sweet corn. Which food product has the least amount fats? The answer is sweet corn. Which food product has the most amount of vitamin C? The answer is cream of tomato. Say wow if the statement is true, and say whoops if the statement is false. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The nutrition facts contain the information of nutrients present in the food product. Wow! Sentences like keep refrigerated and store in a cool, dry place can be seen in the storage instructions in a food label. Wow! The serving size informs the consumer about the best time to consume the product. Whoops! The warning serves as a reminder to consumers about the contents of the product that may affect their health. Wow! The storage instructions include the information on how to store and prepare the food product. Wow! It is safe to buy food products without food labels. Whoops! Nutrition facts, together with all the ingredients, are usually printed at the back label of a food product. Wow! Consumers must take note of date markings like the expiration date and the best before date on the food label. Wow! It is safe to eat the food product after the indicated expiration date. Whoops! Many food manufacturing companies now make various processed food that are easy, fast, and convenient to prepare. Wow! Manufacturers are not expected to follow the requirements implemented by the law for consumer safety. Whoops!
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.